Out on a little off-road expedition today. It's jolly cold. Do I put these gloves on? Time to put my other gloves on. I always put my heated grips on, I guess. Kind of want to keep these gloves nice and sort of dry. And if you look over there, got a new bike.
How's it going? Welcome to my first look at the Aprilia Tuareg 650. Now this is my motorcycle. I picked it up yesterday. I did do an initial ride and got my mate will use his camera to show you how much of a short arse I am. This and yeah, ready for the toe down.
Very similar to KTM's.
Very similar to KTM's, yes. Although this one will hopefully be a bit more reliable.
It's just a lower powered KTM.
It's 80 horsepower, it's plenty. I haven't got my head around it completely yet.
What's it sound like? Start it!
Whose video is this?
That's what the comments are saying.
Okay, yes, okay, it's independent.
My goodness, he's got himself another blinking motorbike. Absolutely copycat he is. I'm going to start calling him Hipper Jones the copycat. 100% copied me, he has. I bought a Honda VFR 750, he bought a Suzuki 750, a nicer one, an expensive one. I have a 650 single big adventure off-road bike, he gets a 660, so 10cc but a lot more brake horsepower, basically trying to do one-up me every way. And he has something else as well which he copied me on as well, but he hasn't revealed it yet. Oh, actually no, he has revealed it. So yeah, I'm not going to get wet. He's going through pretty quick. I don't want to get wet. We're just at the start of the day, mate. Don't go too quick through the puddles. Oh, he is a bit scared. Oh, actually, it is a bit scary there. Oh. Oh, my bike decided to go to the right. I didn't move the bars. It just said, this is the way we go now. So, okay, I'll agree with that. Oh my goodness, I didn't see which way he went. I'll just go through the middle. Ooh, I don't want to get wet. I just don't want to get wet. Right, let's see if we can catch him up a bit. Probably not. Oh yeah. I always don't like go downhill. Oh, he's going down the hill. He was down here the other day, he was. Actually, yesterday he was down here. I am down here for a couple of weeks. So I don't know what the terrain is like now, and it is a fair bit slipperier than I would imagine. Let's take a wide berth on this boy. Yeah, I caught him up a bit. Oh, hang on, I was just going to turn off my heated grips. It's too hot. Yeah, alright, you first. Don't throw sticks at me. How rude. Oh, tree down. Will the adventure riders get round it? Well, Pete managed to do it. Hey, I'm round the fallen tree. We might have that a lot today. A lot. Fallen tree. Oh, another fallen tree. And then up we go. Up the chalk. Chalk is pretty easy, unless it's wet. Today it's wet, and he's not standing up, which is going to cause an issue. Oh, there's another fallen tree. big of a fallen tree. Right. Do you want to go one at a time? Okay. Yeah, it helps you knew how to use the clutch, Pete, so you wouldn't spin up so much. I think we need to go one at a time for this. Is there a way round or not?
I know.
Is it in gear?
It's not. No.
Okay. I don't think we can go up here.
No, this looks. Those wet roads would be horrible.
You could, yeah, this is all soft.
No, we'll end up down.
Oh yeah, you definitely will. Oh yeah.
I think it's time to turn around on this one.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Maybe once I was more used to the bike and.
Oh no, even I would sketch about this.
With your tyres, you'll be struggling on these.
Oh yeah, I'd be stuck. I'd get stuck.
This is the trouble with riding motorbikes when storms are happening. The easy lane is now impossible. You've got to get a lot steeper, but this one.
Right, do you want to? Well, I'll do mine first because it's at the back.
Do you want a hand?
Right, well you can watch me do mine.
Yeah. Oh right, then you could watch me drop mine.
Basically, yeah.
Are you doing that?
Yeah. And then you see, that's how you do off-road, because we are on a bit of a hill, but it won't come out in camera. So people will say, what the hell are they wimping about? And then that shouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah, it should be right in gear.
It's in gear. If it rolls forward, it rolls forward. Yeah. Right, so you see what I did?
Yep.
Put it in gear. I made it look easy. We'll turn the bike around and get a picture of the tree behind it. All on the clutch, all on the clutch. Oh shoot.
That ran away from you a bit.
Yeah. No, don't push. Yeah. Just lean it towards you, lean the bike towards you, and then just turn the bars left and right, and it automatically starts to turn. You don't have to do any work, just turn the bars. There you go. Let go of the clutch. Hold the front brake. It's in gear?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's steady.
Okay.
So where are we up to next then?
I'll get to the bottom and then I'll
We'll work it out.
maybe we'll go up to Newlands for a coffee.
Okay, cool.
Because they're all going to be like this.
When we get to the bottom.
Yeah. Too close to it. Could be a tree down again. Oh, there's something down. Some bushes down anyway. Branches. How's he going to navigate this? Very skillfully. Let me guess. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a tree there. Ah! Another one down. Well, we might be able to. Let's have a look. Oh, it looks boggy. So, ba 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 bam, left. Ba 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 bam. Nope. 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 Nope.
My tyres might, but my ability won't.
Nope.
Your tyres definitely won't.
No, it's just like there's rubbish and stuff here.
Yeah.
There's too many logs.
And then you'll fall off on the slimy bit. That's right, we'll just go back and go around the other way.
But coffee!
You can get coffee, it's only a 5-minute detour.
If I was on my CT, I'd be up there.
Oh, you're on your CT, you just throw it over.
There's a tree there.
Awful lot less. Although this isn't a heavy motorcycle.
Thinking YouTubers want a coffee.
That's the only difference.
Say, how did they get? They had to reverse down here because there's no way they could get their van down here. Anyway, this is the last lane of the day. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully the audio isn't terrible. Oh, and I shall catch you in the next one, I guess. No Roosterino, please. That's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching to the end. I guess I should probably link Hippodrone's channel down below in the video info, and you can check his channel out, and I'm sure he'll go into a lot of detail about his new purchase. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching.